In the dusty attic of an abandoned house, Marcus discovered an old typewriter, its keys stained and rusted from years of neglect. Intrigued by its vintage allure, he brought it home and placed it carefully on his desk. That night, as the moonlight filtered through the window, he began to type, feeling an eerie compulsion gripping his fingers. The words flowed effortlessly, each line darker and more unsettling than the last. As Marcus wrote, the room grew colder, shadows lengthening and twisting across the walls like living things. Suddenly, the typewriter jammed. When he tried to fix it, a sharp pain shot through his finger. Blood dripped onto the keys, and the machine roared to life, hammering out words on its own. The story it typed was a chilling account of Marcus's own life, his deepest secrets, fears, and regrets laid bare. He tried to stop, but his fingers moved against his will, typing faster and faster. The final line appeared. "You will never leave." The lights flickered violently, and Marcus realized he was no longer alone. Whispered voices filled the air, and shadowy figures emerged from the darkness, their hollow eyes fixed on him. The typewriter clacked relentlessly, sealing his fate with every keystroke, binding him forever to its cursed tale.